Our biggest profit has been an upgrade in the quality of our scans and of our preservation. We are able to use this to meet best practices for museum preservation digitization. And to me, that has been our biggest benefit and our biggest profit gained from the Apeiron. Most of our plans have already been cataloged and numbered and housed. So we first start out with taking them out of their housing, which means we have to put them on a special cart and bring them upstairs because our scanner is on the second floor and the ship's plans flat files are on the first. The first thing we do is the way that we have it set up in our space, we actually do move the table over to the right if you're looking at the scanner, because we have tables set up there to transfer the documents onto the scanner bed. And we use a piece of like kind of foam core or blue corrugated board, acid-free, to do that if they're very fragile. We put them down and we put a piece of plexiglass over it to keep it laying flat. But we literally just pick them up, make sure that there's no dust or anything on them, and put them on top. And the purpose of that is to keep them from curling. We do have a preset right now that has pretty much no editing on it. So our first scan is always going to be an image of exactly what the document looks like. We want to get all of the flaws, tears, we want to get all of the edges. So we scan the whole document as that, and we save it as its kind of original form. And then while we have it up in the Next Image Apeiron software, we do edit it to become just a line drawing. So we've been using the black and white feature, the enhanced black, despeckling, but that allows us to have something that is a lower resolution so it's easier to share, and something that could be printed. A lot of the times we are getting requests internally from our own working shipyard or externally from people who are either building models or fixing vessels. And what they want to do is print it, right? Because they need to be able to have it really big and in their workshop. And the black and white and the line fill features have been amazing with that. We've been able to really make sure that we're getting every single detail, but it's a lot easier to print, a lot easier to share, and a lot easier to use at such a high resolution. The Next Image software itself and how usable it is huge. Overall, it's been pretty intuitive and pretty hands-free. So there's not a lot of like lighting adjustment that we have to do. It makes a lot of really low contrast materials. We're able to make them so much more high contrast. So it's about preservation of the original, but also improvement. It's about usability of these items. A very low resolution, very light pencil drawing on paper is really hard to see, but with the software and with scanning and the lighting, we're able to make it a lot easier to see. So to me, I think the image file is vastly better. This is our collection, and we want to make sure that we're preserving it past its physical life. For us, this is a huge step towards our goal of kind of total digitization and accessibility virtually.